So, you just got dumped. Or maybe you did the dumping. Either way, your heart feels like it's been through a paper shredder. Now what? Here's what most people do. They binge watch Netflix, scroll through old texts, check their ex's Instagram 36 times an hour, listen to sad songs like it's a religion, maybe even text, "I miss you" at 2 a.m. Yeah, don't do that. Why? Because your brain after a breakup is literally going through withdrawal. Like actual withdrawal. As if you were addicted to a drug. Because you kind of were. Love activates the same brain regions as cocaine. That's not a cute metaphor. That's neuroscience. Dopamine, oxytocin, serotonin. It's a cocktail of emotional chaos. And when it's taken away, your brain panics. So what's the worst thing you can do after a breakup? Keep feeding the addiction. Rereading texts, stalking their socials, sleeping with your phone clutched to your chest like it's a teddy bear? You're not healing. You're relapsing. Every time you expose yourself to those memories or digital crumbs, your brain lights up like, ooh, dopamine. They're still around. Maybe there's hope. But the more you indulge, the harder it is to move on. It's like breaking a leg and then going for a jog because you miss how it used to feel. Pain now, damage later. Here's the hard truth. Breakups are grief. Not a vibe, not a phase, not a TikTok trend. They are actual, measurable, psychological grief. And grief demands space, not distraction, not denial, and definitely not late-night texting. So what should you do? Step 1. Cut the cord. Cold turkey. Unfollow, mute, block if you have to. You're not being dramatic, you're being smart. It's not about pettiness, it's about neural detox. Step 2. Move your body. No, not like that. I mean, walk, run, swim, dance. Physical movement resets your stress hormones and reduces emotional overwhelm. Literally shake the sadness out of your cells. Step 3. Lean into discomfort. Sounds counterintuitive, right? But feelings that are suppressed don't vanish. They fester. So feel it. Cry ugly. Journal like you're writing a memoir called Love Sucks, A Survivor's Tale. Talk to friends who won't just say you'll find someone better, but who will say, yeah, this hurts and that's okay. Step 4, reclaim your dopamine. Your brain is starving for feel-good chemicals, so give it new sources. Learn something new. Play an instrument. Lift weights. Volunteer. Pet a dog. You're rewiring your brain to associate pleasure with things that don't destroy you emotionally. And here's the plot twist. You're not healing from them. You're healing from the version of you that was attached to them. Breakups don't just break hearts, they break illusions. And that's good, because illusions trap you, reality frees you, and reality says, you are lovable, you are whole. And this pain, it's a portal to a wiser, stronger, more badass version of you. So no, don't call your ex. And hey, if this hit home, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear it. You're not alone in this healing journey. This channel's your space to grow, rise, and rebuild, one brave step at a time. So stay tuned, stay strong,